Hey guys, welcome back to another episode, and this video is about unboxing. It's my first time to talk on the video, so please bear with me. We have a product here from Shenzhen XTAR Electronics Company, Hong Kong. So pinadala nila tayo ng package, and thankful kasi napili din tayo to test out their product. This is a flashlight, so tingnan natin kung anong flashlight to. And thank you FedEx for the smooth delivery. Yes. So buksan na natin. Excited na din ako. Okay, here it is, the billing statement. FedEx. Thank you FedEx for the smooth transaction, smooth delivery. Right, it is. Yun, XTAR. Spearfishing and diving. Wow. XTAR DS1 magnetic slide switch diving flashlight. This is it. Ganda. Let's open this. How to. Here we go. Ba? Yes. So this is the XTAR DS1 magnetic slide switch diving flashlight. So this is it. Ito yun. And they got manuals here. This is for the flashlight. And this manual is for the charger. This one. But the basic information is makikita mo dito lang sa box. Here, this one. So this is the flashlight. This is the body. Liit lang, easy to handle. Yeah. And then yung body niya, makikita nyo may groove for good gripping. And one thing na nagustuhan ko dito, yung kulay blue, this is a rubberized material, kaya good grip siya every time na hawakan mo to banda dito. All in all, ang ganda niya. Wide head. Medyo malaki siya compare sa body. And it's a single LED. So, save talaga siya sa battery. But it says here na yung max runtime niya is around 2.5 hours at high bright na yon. But it depends sa paggamit mo nito. Nag-on lang kasi ako ng flashlight. When I go down, like around 5 meters below, saka ko siya i-on, hanap ako na isda, and good fish to shoot, and then if wala, i-off ko na naman, balik ako sa taas. Ang purpose ko doon para hindi ma-spook yung isda, ganun yun. And save din sa battery at the same time. Yung max beam niya is around 282 meters, ang layo. Pero pag nagna-night dive ka, nasa malapit lang yung isda, lalapitan mo talaga. So yeah, that's it. And compatible siya with 21,700 Li-ion battery. So, and waterproof for around 100 meters. Lalim. Ako nagda-dive, normal dive ko around 10, 15, 20 meters pag night dive. Yun. So, hindi tayo abot ng mga part na yan. Lalim na yan. The weight of this one is 177 grams, battery included. So ito yun, battery included na to. This is their XTAR battery, 4,900 mAh or milliampere per hour. So yeah, try natin dito. Let's test it out kung gagana ba. Yun, ang lakas. So it is, guys. Kunting push mo dito sa magnetic slide. Yun. Nakikita mo, low siya. Pero kunting pihit mo pa, yun, ang lakas na. Tapos, pag ipupush mo pa all the way, yun. This is the brightest one. Ang lakas niya. Ang init din. Oh, yeah. Pag prolong use ata nito, mag-iinit dito, nakalagay dito, hot surface. So, siguro ma-neutralize ito underwater kasi malamig ang tubig. And we have the charger. This is for the battery. And the cord, of course. Sasaksak mo lang siya sa adapter and good to go na. And the strap. Safety strap or the lanyard. Test up muna natin. Ilagay natin dito. So here it is. Here. Ito. Ang kagandahan nito is may rubber tube siya. And safety stopper para magsistay talaga siya sa kamay mo. Every time I go diving or magpe-prepare, yung flashlight ko andito na talaga yan. Baka makalimutan or worst, baka mahulog. So, yeah. Safety first. Kaya meron nito. And we have a spare O-ring. This one. In case na masira tong nasa loob, eh may pampalit ka. Ito. And then my spare slide switch din. Para dito, in case mawala, may pangpalit ka rin. Huwag naman sana. And I think that's it. And if you want to order, I will put the link on the description box below. So kindly message them if you want to order or buy this kind of flashlight. Excited na ako na gamitin to. I can't wait to test it out in the water. To more night spearfishing adventure with this flashlight. Stay tuned on my YouTube channel. And please subscribe, like, and share. And please click the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, Shenzhen XTAR Electronics Company, Hong Kong. Thank you so much. And to Ma'am Hailey Wong, their marketing department. Thank you for the message. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're all doing well. And stay at home. Think positive, but stay negative. More power. God bless. XTAR flashlight. Thank you. Yahoo!